Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. In the previous video, we learnt about erosional landforms due to running water. In this video, we will see depositional landforms due to running water. Alluvial fans. They are found in the middle course of a river at the foot of slope mountains. When the stream moves from the higher level break into foot slope plain of low gradient, it loses its energy needed to transport much of its load. Thus, they get dumped and spread as a broad low to the high cone-shaped deposits called an alluvial fan. Deltas. Deltas are like an alluvial fan but develop at a different location. They are found in the mouth of the river, which is the final location of depositional activity of a river. Unlike alluvial fans, the deposits making up deltas are very well sorted with clear stratification. The coarser materials settle out first, and the finer materials like silt and clay are carried out into the sea. Flood plains, natural levees. Deposition develops a flood plain just as erosion makes valleys. A riverbed made of river deposits is the active flood plain, and the flood plain above the bank of the river is the inactive flood plain. Natural levees are found along the banks of large rivers. They are low, linear and parallel ridges of coarse deposits along the banks of a river. Meanders and oxbow lakes. Meanders are loop-like channel patterns developed over the flood and delta plains. They are actually not a landform but only a type of channel pattern formed as a result of deposition. The concave bank of a meander is known as cut-off bank, and the convex bank is known as a slip-off. As meanders grow into deep loops, the same may get cut off due to erosion at the inflection point and are left as oxbow lakes. Braided channels. When selective deposition of coarser materials causes the formation of a central bar, it diverts the flow of river towards the banks, which increases lateral erosion. Similarly, when more and more such central bars are formed, braided channels are formed. Riverine islands are the result of braided channels. That's all for this video. Meet you in next video. Thank you. Like and subscribe to e-Gurukulam for IAS.